You love man? You love man too. But the man in here, you lose the man. Yeah, man. I alien. I say you love man. I'm old man and slap man and think that man bad and scream and I call you winner. Then you see them with my eye. Man love man. And I make love to man and I'm married to man. What you mean? We are talking about reality. Reality we are dealing with it. God love man, some man love man. We are going to do both.
Fire burn, stuff. Fire burn. Jerry, fire burn, Jerry. Jerry, fire burn, Jerry.
Them not get the understanding, Jerry. I feel why you get. Them a say if I come down, I feel why you get, Jerry.
No, Jerry, me a go barber shop. Me can't take them conversation.
Man.
Jerry, me a go barber shop. Later.
I'll drop guns with it.
Oh, no, no.
Me a go barber shop, Jerry. Me can't hold them reasoning. Why up your chat? Why up
no man, Jerry,
man? I get out of no man.
It's correct as
You don't apologize nothing.
No man, Jerry man. Why
No
up your
man,
chat?
there is a man, no man.
No
I'm
sir.
married.
Me a go barber shop. Later, Jerry. Later.
You know what's TV?
Later.
You know busy. Man love man. God love man, sir.
Chat, me a go barber shop.
Man love man alone for love man. Man love man to hold him. I'm married to him. I can't go home. Can't live with him.
Jerry, later, me a go barber shop. Bella, pick up yourself.
Yeah, big
You
up,
want me
yeah.
calling them name?
Don't call. Yeah, big
You want
up,
me
yeah.
calling them name?
Don't call nobody name, you know. What you talking about?
Me say, there's a man go married and go live.
But what you
In the
talking
USA.
about?
So God love man.
Oh, so
Man love man
basically you
too.
say that you God love man.
Yeah,
Man
man
say it's
love.
okay for love man. But it's not okay then in the Bible.
Say man not for love man.
No.
Them say my alien and falling angel.
Yeah,
Them.
yes, them are angel and but
Yeah,
say it,
falling here.
say it correctly, cause them nah.
Yeah, so them man never love man and go to alien or falling angel. Two set you have, you know. Yeah, alien. I said that man. I have falling angel, you know. With the demons God, you know.
I understand what you say, but you have to
Me
make people
understand it.
You have to make
Man love, God love man, so man love man.
yeah, so them feel like it's okay
Yeah,
to love it, but
to
it's
God
not
love
okay.
man.
But it's not.
I'm going to burn a cigarette. I'll get back to you.
Jerry,
Let me tell you something. You better just give me my time into, you know. Let me go and enjoy myself.
I understand, but right now I pay why you get Jerome.
We are busy about them. They have to learn that.
I understand what you say about the people them not understand.
God love man, so man love man.
Yeah, but it's not right.
You know, I'm blood clot. You can jump on board and scream. They see to the eye.
Yeah, we see it with the eye. We understand. Me understand what you say, but you have to be more specific, Jerome. Eh? You made the people them say why you not laugh off for you.
Let them laugh. They know who teach me that.
Alright, Jerome, change the topic. I said change the topic. I say I don't want
You
ear.
never know it neither, you know.
Jerome,
You know why
Everybody-
you teach me it?
you look sexy.
You want me to tell you who teach me?
No, me no
Cause me
want
never
you.
know.
Don't call
Oh.
nobody name. When me tell about name calling.
You know why I know who teach me?
No.
Alright, you're the feminine gender.
Hey!
But feminine is a woman. A woman teach me it. Me never can look when it's turn up. It's a feminine gender.
Me know people not understand what you say. Me understand what you
Man,
say.
no, but tell them then. They understand.
Me understand what you say, Jerome, but it's not right.
Man, old man, love man too. Me never know. I want girl explain it to me, you know.
So that you the girl explain, Jerome.
So it works. Look what it works.
Why you go cuss bad when you don't get ignorance, Bridget?
Love man.
But tell us to stop talk like that, you know.
Stop that for learn this. Face reality. You know what? Face reality friction. Face reality.
Jerome. Me tell yourself to stop.
You have to go about that. I said, go to the world. I can't miss. I go and enjoy myself too.
Say what? So you want me to go about my business?
Yeah, go on. Go wind down.
Yeah,
And
yes.
you wind me up, you know. I said, me wind up. Chat fuck with. I fuck with them. And the reality. Now you talk about the boring.
Forward, no man. You love chat, so.
Back left the bitch. Now, Romy. Before wind up, the boring. I said, me wind up.
Listen, Jerry thought different. Jerry thought different, okay? Can I have this time with that? Understand, Jerry?
I'm going to wind up, because I can't get. Yeah, man.
Today I'm a man birthday. I can't look shaky on the live. I may bring him out. I'm a surprise him, but the sitting them not come yet. And then me have on. Open the box. Open the box. Let us explain to him. He might come in just a smoke and cigarette right so So, may I ask you something? Because if you never see Betty, I would chat saying, I am telling you when you see people stop talk so.
Never see.
Romy there?
Yeah, I never know.
So, Jerry, guys, I don't want to come from me. I just say Aquarius is the best. So, anyway, Jerome. Yeah. So, oh, you're not really trust no woman, right?
Who you trust a man?
You.
You're mad.
Oh, you not trust no woman, right?
How are you doing, man?
Listen now, hear what I say?
You can't tell me that.
Listen now.
You don't trust no woman.
He might come, he must move. I have to give him time to, remember. And I'm my way alone, I feel me on my way. So, Jerome, oh, you not trust woman, right?
That's your opinion.
That's what I'm talking now?
Your opinion. I tell them,
So,
yeah, man.
if me give it to you,
Give what?
the something to you,
What's up?
you not take it?
What's something?
You know when me a talk.
I don't know.
Come here now.
Man, read that. If I look.
Come here, let me just say this to you.
Let me tell me what is something.
Come here, more the people want to see you.
Give what something to me.
Alright then, see you right here, so. Bring the chair here and sit down now.
Now that me I do. It is a rush.
I'm not rush, but I know you stand up.
Let's see, me I go.
Are your birthday? You want a massage?
No, I don't want nothing. But you know, say, me do my birthday from the day we do the thing for the pizza huts. I get my birthday already.
And are your birthday now?
No, man, I do it yesterday. Man.
Today you're born?
No, I'm born yesterday.
So anyway, how your birthday and you tell me say I want a woman a back road and none of that?
Wow, mother go me for whore. Mother make me forget to whore. Whore for have me.
No, that's the
But play no man them a whore, them fuck pan reggae bed down pan the season.
Alright. So if me say me I go give you it, you go take it?
Give me what? Pussy? When you tell me the people them know me in the if I die with the thing, you know, and the assuming thing, you know.
So you don't take it?
If you make me fuck,
Me say
that
me
many
give
people
it.
them here.
Me say me
That the
give it.
world, me not secret thing.
So if me give it to you, you go take it?
You know, so the girl never give me pussy yet.
Watch you.
You
So
know-
take it?
Yeah, man, we take love. Love is like a candy on a shelf. If you want some, if you help, you say, but yeah, what? People say me I give them money, them say me I never go from this.
Me never asked you that. I'm talking
They
about
will not
me.
explain the thing, and I say go.
More you answer me. So you don't take it?
I mean, I tear off your jaws.
You don't take it?
Pop off your jaws.
You don't take it?
I mean, I'm go, pussy.
Me say you don't take it?
Oh, you. All right, them thing I eat that. Yes.
So you want it now?
No, man, something wrong with this man. Me not in a sexy mood.
So I ask if you want it now?
No. I don't
So
like
why?
sexy. You know, say you're gonna sit.
No, we can't put that for you. So
No, man, no,
you
man.
want to go in the
I'm telling you,
bedroom?
fuck at night, me not fuck at day. Night fuck sweet at darkness.
So on your birthday, you want to start, they ready come?
So around, leave me alone, man. I don't go away.
So you don't want me to get it?
No, because man, wind up.
So you don't want me to christen you?
Me have to wind down. Till the night, but fuck at night. And night fuck sweet.
No, listen.
Day fuck, now sit up on the sun. Then the biggest sky. You go fuck and I need that. You go feel loving.
Me I got foreign.
Fine.
So that's why me ask you, so me get it from
When you
now.
go foreign.
Later.
Fine, one for you rich man, you have money, man. I want to be easy there. Me not going nowhere. You know where I have plain cake or ice cream. I wine there and wine, but she come wine me up.
Yeah, so
Come fuck with me head.
me not fuck with it. That's why me ask you if you want
Yeah,
me
fuck
and
with
you.
it, man.
You want me?
Now you do fuck tonight.
Dugu.
No, it ain't fucking pussy. It ain't
Dugu.
pussy.
Me never ask you that.
Me shoot
Dugu.
a big one.
Hey, me
A
say,
big one.
hey,
Yo.
me say dugu.
Glory be all I come. Be good.
Me
You want to
say-
hear the big good song?
Me say dugu.
Me the dugu. Me know what is that.
Dugu.
Me know fucking pussy.
Dugu.
I don't know first me I hear that.
You never know that?
No, she can have sex.
No, dugu.
Me not have sex, you know.
No, me and you, dugu.
I don't, what is that dugu dugu?
Dugu dugu?
I don't know. Alright, tell the people them dugu dugu awa. Me don't know, at first I hear that.
Dugu dugu.
Them young people must say, I try to change the name.
I never asked her that, I said dugu dugu.
Them a change the name of everything. That's why I change it from Valentine. Valentine. Change that blood.
Me do clappers.
Clappers. Yeah, me know clappers are fuck.
No, dugu dugu.
And this dugu blood clotting. Girl cock up a hole up on the bed of that hole all the time, man. Screaming and moaning, me things are Sam. Pretty blue eye. You know, no, fuck on the man, them dead off a war all over. You know, come and fuck on the man. Pretty blue eyes,
Jerome, but
please come
me,
out to
you
play.
ask them to do that and me willing to give it to you. You know
Tonight?
what? No.
No, we can't. The I work, I work in them.
So what kind of work you do now?
Yeah, they're that entertaining people. But me never have no thoughts on these, you know. When I met my aunt, I say, you know, me never do. Cause me do my birthday yesterday. Me and you do the birthday with pizza.
Jerry, dugu dugu.
You keep that to yourself. Me not wear the pay lips, I'm not give a girl. Put the red pan and you red.
Me not read that some lipstick, natural sexy.
That natural says it. A lip cracky. Look pan it. Put on lipstick.
My lip
When I
not
rush me.
cracky.
Yeah. Wear lipstick, man. Not a materialistic person.
Bulby.
Your lip for red.
No, my lip red.
Yeah, it's not red.
In a cracky. So why you do that on live as talk say it crack?
What to your lipstick them? You sell bleaching cream and soap. And what's your lip them?
The lip not
You
crack.
put red pan them. Even natural lipstick.
Lipstick up on it because I'm
Natural? I don't like the natural, I like the red lipstick.
Jerry, stop do that on live and you know some lip not cracky.
What's your lipstick? It look like you wear red lipstick. I like red lipstick for lip. Cause red is like a shape it out like love, you know. Your lips look like love, you know.
But I don't even put on a lipstick now. That's some put on lip gloss.
Tonight you can put it on. Hey, you know what we have on the face of this earth? The time. It's where we are though. And that you have. We don't have nothing else. We don't have nothing else. All we have is time that you live in. No
And some
alone.
of them shaping it not cracky.
Oh, fine, wonderful. You
Look,
lick them alright.
kiss it.
Now kiss it for real, you know. I have a tongue about you.
Hey, sit down.
Oh, fuck couldn't have them out love. Cause I'm not need love right now. Hey, love of me. Hey, I'm aware of it, I'm afraid I to see.
What you afraid of?
Love.
Are you walk and break people heart, so?
Me walk and broke and them a broke me heart.
Nobody not broke your
The
heart.
7 girl them a broke me heart. Cause when one boy pick the band.
Listen, are you
7
walk
girl
and
pick the
broke?
band.
People pick their heart. Stop
Me
it.
walk and broke heart. A Cupid, I tell you who broke heart Cupid. He might want higher one bone and all.
Tell them that today is your birthday.
One time I go say it, you know. Today is my birthday, Valentines. It's not nobody.